subscribe to Major Matata. So guys, I told you I want to show you the waterfall. Now today I've come here. I want to take you to the waterfall. The waterfall is down there. So I need to pass through this route. Then I go to the waterfall down there. So this one is called Tiriki Forest. It is Kabunyonje. This is where the traditional Tiriki people circumcise their people here. I told you in the other video. And this one is a school called Mwanzo Primary School. So today I want to take you to the waterfall with this young man here. So guys, come with me. I take you to the waterfall. They are down there with this young man behind me. Yeah? So remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Major Matata. Like it, comment, share, and remember to hit that notification button so that whenever I upload any video, you'll be able to get it immediately. You'll be the first person to get that video. I'm here. Yeah? This is the river. This river has never dried up since I was born. Eh? This is a wife to my friend here, our neighbor.
I'm Pauline.
You're Pauline?
Yeah.
Okay. So what are you carrying?
I have some vegetables here.
Vegetables, eh? Which type of vegetables? Pumpkin leaves. So use it to cook?
To cook ugali.
To eat ugali with,
yes, sir.
Okay. Sawa, sawa. Thank you very much. God bless you. She's my neighbor, guys. So I'm meeting my neighbors in the river. So guys, let me go. This guy will take me to the waterfall down here. It is down here, but it's very far. Not here. It's very far. So I don't know if with my body I'll be able to go there. So this young man is taking me down to the waterfall. Huh? You see, guys, here in Western, we are so blessed. Just imagine water coming from the stone. Here, underground water here. And then they have put this thing here, so they fetch water from here. This. They don't drink water from the river. They drink water from the source, which is under the stone. So there's some water coming from this stone here. Look. So this young man is taking me down the valley. The area is so nice. This is how I'm going to the valley, guys. I told you I'll take you to the waterfall. The other day, I tried to go to the waterfall, but it was not easy. But today, I've met a young man who has decided to take me to the waterfall. You see, the land is very fertile. Look at the land. This land, very fertile. But you have so many rocks around. Eh? These are rocks. Land of rocks. Land of rocks. So guys, you're going down the valley. You're going down the valley, guys. Going down the valley. Look around. So I'm going down with this guy. So I'm going down with this guy here. Yes. This guy is taking me. We are still going on, guys. To the waterfall. This is still the river that you saw up there. We are crossing that river. Now we are going to the waterfall. Another one is here. You see the stone? You see this big stone here? Not big stone, big rock. You have so many big rocks. So I am going down. This is still the same river that we left up there. So this is it. We are going down the valley. So where is the waterfall? Oh, this is the waterfall. So we pass through here. The river is still here. This is the river, guys. Still passing through here. So we are going to our waterfall here. Oh, I've just fallen down, guys. I've just fallen down, but it's still part of the content. I just fell down. No problem. That's part of the content. Yes. This is the waterfall now. Hey. This is the waterfall. This is the waterfall these guys were telling me. So comes from up there, you see? From up there. See this place? From up there. The other river stream is passing through here, through this place here, and then there's another one passing through here. So this is our small waterfall here in TIRIKILAND. The water goes like this. Water goes up to Lake Victoria. It goes and joins Yala River, and then goes up to Victoria, Lake Victoria, and then goes to River Nile up to Mediterranean Sea. This water here, this water is the one that feeds Lake Victoria, River Nile, then up to Mediterranean Sea in Egypt. Yes. You know English? What's your name?
My name is Sharif.
Sharif Mbihu. You told me Mbihu or Mbihi?
Mbihu.
Mbihu. Oh, which grade are you? You are in Form 1. I thought you were in grade 2, or I mean grade 4. Form 1 where? Kabuareng Secondary School, Oh, that's good. I'm going up to that here. I'm going up to here. Here I am. Here I am. This is small. This is a small waterfall in Tiriki, in Shiru, somewhere called Shiru, Kaimosi, Vihiga County. So this is the area, guys. I'm enjoying life. Come and enjoy life here, guys. Come and enjoy life in Shiru. So many people don't know this place. You can come here and build a hotel, somewhere people can relax. You can buy like this place. It's a very nice place. You can just come here, buy this place here, and create a hotel, a small hotel here. It is a very good place to invest. It's a very serene place. You can even buy here. You can even buy here, this place here. You see the way it is, even the other side. Yeah, you can even buy the other side. Yes, Kijana, vipi? Yeah. Enjoy my yeah? Sawa. Asante. You see the rocks. People come here, climb the rocks. You see those rocks? Yeah, people just come and climb the rocks. So guys, come here and invest. Invest in this area. This is a very good place to invest. People come. We are just neighboring Rift Valley. Up here, just up here is Rift Valley. Up here is just Rift Valley. It's not very far. Some few meters from here is Rift Valley. So I'm right now in Western, but I say in Rift Valley. Very nice. Water from Tiriki. Water from Kaimosi. Very nice. Come here and invest. Come and enjoy life in Tiriki, guys. Come here. Life is wonderful. Life is available. Here. Look very big. Look this one here. Eh? Life is enjoyable, guys. Come and invest. Guys, we are now leaving the waterfall. We are going up there. You see, let me show you. We are going up there. There, that's where we are going. We are leaving the waterfall right now. So we want to climb with this young man. This young man here. We want to go with him up there. Then maybe I'll give him something small to buy lunch tomorrow. Sawa sawa. So guys, with me as we climb up the mountain from our waterfall here in Tiriki. This area is called Tiriki, and it is inhabited by Tiriki people, a mix of Tiriki and some Maragolis and the other tribes, few other tribes. So the constituency is called Hamisi constituency. The town that is near here, or the university that is near here, is called Kaimosi University. So we are in Vihiga County. Vihiga County has around 5 constituencies, and these constituencies are Hamisi, Sabatia, Vihiga, Muhaya, and Luanda. So guys, I'm here. We want to go up there. I've just seen somebody was passing here. Oh, somebody was just passing here. Yeah, this here we have neighborhoods here. We have neighborhoods. So we are going up there. Yeah. Yes. We are going up there. You see up there, those stones? I mean rocks. We are going up there with this young man here. So I'm with my guy here. He's my tour guide today. We are going with him back to where he left the car. This place is very steep. Very, very steep. So guys, we are just down from down there. See, down there. Our small waterfall is down there. Yeah? So we are going up. And Simberi kabisa. Ndio kale mtu. This guy is laughing at me. Huh? This guy here is laughing at me. That guy is laughing at me. This guy here. Huh? Yes. Well, there's a lot of suffering, eh? Ah. But I'll make it, eh? Yes. Ah. My young man supporting me. Eh? Sasa ya. Ya. Kamsatu tia cheo. Msatu ya kwesa. Kwesa. Kwesa kwesa inze. Kwesa inze. Kwesa kwesa. Sawa sana. Nimeshukuru sana. God bless you. This guy, let me show you. This is the guy who has helped me climb here. It was very steep, eh? It was very steep. So what's your name?
My name is Alan.
Alan, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Where are you from right now?
I'm from home.
Taking something small, eh?
Yep.
You've taken something small?
Yep.
I want to urge you to leave it. At your age, it will destroy you.
Okay.
Be like me. You see the way I'm strong? You see I'm strong?
Yes, strong.
Is it a bad advice?
Yeah.
Good advice.
Yep.
Let me remove this one from you.
Yep.
You're a good guy. Even you've shaved. I have another shirt like this one. Come and pick it. Do you know my place?
No.
Musonya.
Musonya.
Mama Musonya.
Oh.
Yeah, I'm Musonya sai.
Yeah.
So we didn't acquire shirt for you.
Oh.
If another holiday. So,
Yeah.
just come right now. I want to give you a shirt like this one.
Yeah.
A very nice one.
Okay.
Right now, just go like this and then come back. Or we go with you?
Yeah. I'm going
Home first. And then you come. Just go home and then come back.
Okay.
Sawa. Thank you very much. God bless you. Lakini wacha yoka kitu, eh? So, my young man is here. That young man is going to fetch water. Hey, yes. So I'm here, guys. I'm back to where I started. Yes. Toto. Sasa. Umekuja kuchota maji? Kabisa. Utaweza hii mitungi? Hapana. Utaweba gani? Kuja. Hakuna? Oh, sawa. Sawa, thank you very much. Unaitwa nani? Unaitwa nani? Tony. Sawa. So this guy is using this water to clean his clothes. He doesn't want to be seen. Boss, hands in. He's just a young man. So they just come here from their house. The house is just around here. You see those houses here? So they just come here and wash their clothes. Some of them, they go down there, they take bath. Look the way I'm sweating, guys. I'm sweating. It's like somebody has poured water on me. Young men are coming to see me the way I'm sweating. Naona vile na sweat? Wah! Why? Yabukombe room ni hatari, So guys, this is where I started. Now I'm going back to the car. I just left the car somewhere there. And I think it's there. Let me show you. The car is there. I think you can see it. This one here. And that one is Mwanzo Primary School. Yes. So guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel, Major Matata. Like it, watch, share, and remember to hit that notification button so that whenever I upload any video, you'll be able to get it immediately. And watch. Make sure you watch up to the end of the video.